Tell me again, though, about the conversations that you had with the Air Force guys.
Well, I asked them, can our planes go real fast and just stop? Or can they be going this way and just go like that? And they said to not even think about the plane doing it, that the G-force on our bodies would blow up. So we gave up the thought that that was Air Force planes, you know. But one night there was, oh gosh, we had about 60 people here, and there was a couple sitting on the bench, and this woman jumps up just screaming, "Do you see him? Do you see him?" They were so high up, if she hadn't pointed them out, I'd never seen them, and they were teeny tiny dots. There was one here, and they were moving really fast towards the north.